Today we know that one of the most filthiest animals on the face of the earth is the pig. Wherever you find feces, muck, filth, you'll find the pig there. It is the most dirtiest animal. Some people say, in certain countries like Australia, they breed the pig very well, very hygienic. I tell them, even in Australia, in the sty, the pigs are kept together. The pig, when it excretes, it eats its own excreta. So do you have man 24 hours manning wherever he excretes, he picks up the excreta? No. So even in Australia, the pig is dirty. It's one of the most filthiest animals. And one more reason I can think of besides many is that today science tells us pig is the most shameless animal on the face of the earth. It's the only animal that invites its friends to see when it's having sex with its mate. When the pig is having sex with its mate, it invites its friends to see him having sex with the mate. In America, modern society, they have dance parties. After the dance parties, they are swapping of wives. You sleep with my wife, I sleep with your wife. You eat pigs, you behave like pigs.